add NGL link to your Instagram story. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how you can do this story right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we will have to go to our NGL app, so make sure you download the app and install it. After that, you will get this link. Once you enter your username to the app, your username of Instagram, you will get this link. So to do this, first of all, we have to click on copy link. So click here. And now our link is copied to our clipboard. Click OK. After that, you have to click on the share button. So it's this one. Then click next step and again and again. Now you have to click on share on Instagram. And then Instagram will be opened automatically. Once you're here, you have to go to stickers from the top. So click here. Then scroll down and click on link. Now you have to paste your link that you copied earlier. And now click on done button from the right top corner. And now you have to move your link by using your two fingers and make it smaller or bigger, how you like it. But I like to make it bigger so you can see that one on behind. Once you're happy with it, you just have to share your story with your friends. So this is how you can add a link to your Instagram story on NGL.LINK. Also, here are some tutorials on how to use NGL, how to see your messages on NGL, or how to generate a link, or how to see who sent you NGL messages, and for free, you don't have to pay. So this is a really nice trick and without the pro account. So if you like this video and if it was useful for you, you can like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.